way they got you getting out of the state?
40. Once I get on 40 West, it's yeah, 40 West, 85 to 73, 52 over to 74, 77 north up to Virginia.
You gotta go 76.
Yeah.
How wide have they got you permitted for?
9. Like 9.5.
How tall?
14. Who?
The guy running around in full
Wiley, something like that? I can't remember. They got that crane over there. That's what's gonna load me. Fun stuff. Been waiting out here since, well, about 8:30 or so. We'll see about using those D-rings. Just trying to make sure these chains are out of my way for when I get loaded. I want them stacked here in a way that I can get to them easily. I'm going to put it right about there in the middle somewhere, I think. Yeah, that'll do. Here. We'll sit and wait some more, I guess.